Oh, hello everyone. Welcome to 155th videos of this channel. So just remind to everyone, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, now it's time to do so you can get all the latest update. Well, today we're going to do a question involved with exponential function and with the area between two curves. So the question gives you two sections. Question 1, which is A, we need to prove this area, shaded area, is between the two curves and the y-axis is this. All right, so I'll give you the answer. So you need to prove that correct. All right, so that's pretty simple to do that. So because this questions already give you the intersection, so therefore the boundary or the interval is 0 to log 2, natural log. So therefore we just integrate from 0 to log 2, and then you put the fx1, so this is the f1x, or this is called f2x. All right, so we simplify, we expand in the brackets, we individually integrated. We got a first negative half, negative may become positive, then quarter of x, plug those two values in, so we will get this here. Now, what's the key issue here? I'm going to use two log laws. One is log x to the power n is n log x. So I can put an n in the front, or I can go backwards. So if I have n in the front, I can put it back to the top. So that's the first log law. Second log law is we call the log e to the power x is x. Because if that's base e equal to that, so these two laws I'm going to use. So I'm going to put negative 2 to the top, negative 1 to the top, copy the rest. Then this e to the power log 2 to the power negative 2 is become 1 divided by 2 squared. Next one is 2 to the power positive 1, so it'll be 1 divided by 2, and copy the rest, and those two cancel it out. So the answer is 2. So we proved. Pretty simple. But if you know those two log laws. Next one, we're going to solve for k. So what is the k? What is the k values? This is a plural, so it means more than 1. So that these two curves intersect 2 points. So let's put them together, because the intersection means that those two equations should be equal. I'm going to move around to put into this format. Now, when I put a 2 to our side, you can see when I move 2 to our side, it's become a quadratic. So we got, that's the u, and that's another u. So according to the quadratic formula, so the e to the power of negative x is equal to quadratic formula. So just remind you everyone, so the x equal to negative 1 positive minus of b squared minus 4ac. We're going to negative b, sorry, 4ac divided by 2a. So I got that. That's the formula I have achieved. Now, because the e to the power of negative is always positive. All right, so this is always positive. Exponential function always positive. And also, if I have two solutions, so therefore I've got two conditions. First, this guy has to be positive. Otherwise, can't have two solutions. So I have to be positive. But we also need to have the positive solution. So we need a positive solution. So that means 1 minus this here, this square root of 1 minus 4x has to be less than 1. So we solve those two together. First one we solve is x greater than negative 4. The next one I'll square both sides, solve for x less than 0. So the answer should be x between negative 4, negative quarter, and 0, but not inclusive. Or I can write into a set notation. It's real, but has to be between negative quarter and 0, not inclusive. Well, that's it. We solved the question, and hopefully you understand it. So if you do, please give us the thumbs up. I'll see you next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.